Good morning. We are headed to a condo maintenance. I've never been to this one before, so I'm not sure where the condenser units are. My guess is going to be rooftop, but we'll find out. But after that, we have a high humidity call. I'm going to go help another tech. It's a DHU is not working properly, and it's in a weird, dumb situation. So I'm going to go over there and help him. He's saying it's not doing anything, and it's got 120. So I bet the polarity somehow are backwards. So we're going to check and make sure and see if that'll fix it. That's just my guess. It's probably going to be something completely different. But we're headed to the maintenance now. I hope follow along. I hope you guys enjoy. And I want to thank everybody who's been commenting and supporting. I've been actually blowing up pretty quick. I haven't been sharing anything on Facebook and stuff. It's just natural growth from YouTube. And I want to say how much I appreciate everybody. And if I can hit, I'd say 1,000 or 1,500 subscribers, I feel like I want to do something for everybody, so I'm going to try to do a giveaway. I did a video on the gas leak detector, and maybe I'll do like a better review when I get an opportunity at a place that has gas. And because I was very impressed by that $20 leak detector, and maybe I'll buy a couple of those and give them away. So thanks for supporting me, and let's get to work. Alright, so I think this is the unit. So we're on the ground. I'm waiting for a door code to get inside. So I'm gonna just go ahead and clean this and do my cleaning outside. And then we'll work on the inside. This is what we're working with though. Right there. 5.58 capacitor. Check the fan side. 0.53. And then we do voltage test. Here. Then I'm going to do my math. 41. It's a 40. We're good to go on that side. Alright. That looks good. Connections look good. Go get my hose. I don't see a hose bed, so I might just get my sprayer, portable sprayer, and we'll spray it off. We'll be good to go. I didn't get it earlier. I'll get it again on camera, just for the camera. We'll do amp, do max, and then I'm going to start it and see what our startup amps are. 48.6 startup amps. Then we'll do our run amps. 7.6, about 7. So a little bit less than that with the, if you subtract the fan amps. All that looks good. I found a hose bib. close right there. I don't like that. Don't forget the sticker. So we'll know which one goes to that unit. And everybody else can read it. And we got another sticker there. Can't have too many stickers. I'm literally just sitting here waiting for a door code. If I'm waiting any longer, I'm going to start charging by the hour. So we're just sitting here waiting. I already did outside stuff. So I'll see you when we get inside. It is 10:04 right now. 10:19. It's only a 10-minute wait. We're gonna check the system out. First, what I'll do is I'm gonna check the temp split while it's running, and then I'm gonna do a temp split in heat mode, and then make sure the heat strips are kicking on. And then we'll do our cleaning process. Since it's already running, I'm just going to do the temp splits first. Alright, so we got 52 coming out. Got 72 going in. Now we're going to check the heat. Change it to heat mode. It is fall season. Put this back in here. I'm going to take the door off here in just a second. I'll go ahead and take the screws out while we're waiting for it to kick in the heat mode. While we're waiting for that, we'll go ahead and put some cleaner down the drain line, get the hot water running, and we'll flush the drain line. This is drain soft. I really only use this for clogs, but this is a condo. It's like a one-time maintenance. Pour a little down there. And then turn the hot water on. Try not to make a mess. Seems like the heat strips are already on. Or we're going to take an amp draw. Yeah, heat strips are already working. Now, since this is a newer unit and we didn't install it, I want to make sure heat pump heat mode actually works, so we're not relying on those heat strips. And I'll usually do about 4 of these just to flush it. Get a good gallon. I get good aim too. And a lot of times if you do this while it's running, if the system is double P-trapped, You'd know it after a gallon of water because it'll back up. Be clogged. Alright, so now I turn the system off. Then I am going to clean this coil. With coil cleaner. It'll also clean the pan and push everything down the drain line. You can see it running down that drain. You can get into the filter and you can clean the bottom too. But I like to put a lot here just to push it all back out backwards. I'll take like 3 of these tablets. I'll drop down in there. The condensate tablets, they little pan treatments, they help release an enzyme that helps fight this algae buildup with these aluminum coils. They're only temporary though, so I'll just put a few in there to last a little longer than normal. Put the doors back on. You also want to check this blower, make sure there's no buildup, no mold, mildew, anything growing, and inform the owners if there is. Clean it up afterwards. But this one is pretty brand new. There's like hardly anything in here. So we're going to put the doors back on, and then I'm going to test the safety float switch, make sure it turns the thermostat off like it's supposed to, and it looks like it's wired right, and go from there. Now sometimes I'll cut a piece of the ductwork out. You can see where someone's done it before. I'll just check and make sure there's no buildup happening in there, and if there is, recommend a UV light to help remedy that. But I also will get down here. Filter looks nice and clean. I'll check here, see if there's any way to have a secondary pan, which they already have one, and a wet switch which is operating, float switch is operating. They pipe wrap this really crappily, but I don't think it really needs it because there's not much condensating happening, and no signs of condensation happening. All in all, it's a good system. She's working great. Now to get this return grill back on somehow. Alright, so she is working great. There's one final thing we need to do. And put the new one on. Put it right here. Perfect. We are done. Maintenance is complete.